Welcome again. This is David with PCTipsandTricks.com, and thank you for watching. This is the next video, and we're going to install the CPU on the motherboard. We're using the same motherboard that we installed the RAM on, and let me hook up the anti-static strip. There we go. And then the CPU we're using is a Core 2 Duo, and we're going to install it onto this motherboard. Make sure that your owner's manual tells you which CPU is good for it, and I would also check their website to make sure it's current. Sometimes they add additional CPUs. So we're going to open up the cage door, and it's spring loaded, so you have to kind of give it a little tug here, and then just flip it over, open up the door here. It's pretty simple. And then on the bottom you'll see two grooves on the CPU. This is pretty standard fare. You're going to line it up with the two grooves which are down here. So you flip that over, you just gently throw it on here. Don't really throw it on. And then just move it around to make sure that it's snug and it's in its place, and then you just close the door again, and then close the cage door. You'll notice that the bar is pushing up against the door, so you're going to get some resistance. Just close that up, and it's set. Now you know how to install a CPU. You should have the confidence to do it. The next video, we're going to install the heatsink on the CPU to prevent overheating.